From humble ingredients to a comforting bowl of goodness, this pumpkin and mushroom rice pot is proof that delicious food doesn't have to be complicated. These are all the simple ingredients you'll need. Start by soaking the dried mushrooms in warm water. Next, cut the pumpkin into small cubes. Slice the spring onions, separating the white and green part. Green will be used later for garnish. Peel and mince the garlic. Trim and rinse the shiitake mushrooms, removing any tough stems. After soaking the mushrooms, gently squeeze them to remove the excess water, then slice them into thin pieces. Don't forget to keep the soaking water. It's full of rich mushroom flavor and will be used later. In a pan, heat the oil over medium heat. Sauté the garlic and white part of the spring onions. Now add the pumpkin and sauté until soft. Season with salt and pepper. Transfer everything to a plate and set aside. In the same pan, add a little more oil. Add the mushrooms. Season with salt and pepper. Sauté for a few minutes, then transfer to a plate. Now rinse the rice under running water, then place it into the rice pot. Add the mushroom soaking water. Add soy sauce, dark soy sauce, mirin, and seasoning powder, creating a rich, savory base for the rice to absorb. If necessary, add enough water to sufficiently cook the rice. Mix well, ensuring all the flavors are evenly combined. Transfer the pumpkin and mushrooms back into the pot. Place the rice pot into the rice cooker and let it cook for about 35 minutes. Once cooked, fluff the rice gently, letting the pumpkin and mushrooms mix through for a perfect finish. Serve warm and enjoy this pumpkin and mushroom rice pot. Simple ingredients, beautifully brought together in one delicious dish. Thank you for cooking along with us today. Do you like this recipe? Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy and happy cooking!